Hey everybody, how's it going? Welcome back to the Rideshare Hub. My name is Dylan. Thank you so much for coming by. So today's video, guys, is something pretty insane. Uber settles lawsuits with UK woman who accused driver of sexual assault. So there have been a number of passengers who accused a driver of sexual assault, and Uber is now settling with them. So that's pretty insane. Before I get into that, make sure to like the video, subscribe to our channel. This channel is all about Uber and Lyft and rideshare and gig economy, tips, tricks, etc. So let's get into it right now. Firm has contested allegations but has reached undisclosed out-of-court settlements. Uber has reached out-of-court settlements with two women who alleged they were sexually assaulted by the same driver in what to be the first case of its kind in the UK against the company. The cases were taken by two women who had ordered vehicles using Uber's app December 15th, but told police they were sexually assaulted by the driver. They were both five-figure settlements. What is that? At least $10,000 each. An investigation by Leeds Council subsequently found the driver, Navid Ibgal. Let's see if anything else comes up with this guy. Him? Is he the Uber driver? I don't know. No, this guy's in New York, not in UK. Yeah, there's a bunch of these ones. Lead taxi attacks. Uber settles women's sex assault cases. There's a bunch of these things going on. I don't know if it was confirmed or not, but I guess they sued Uber and Uber settled over 10,000 bucks. So if you are a passenger and you get sexually assaulted by your driver, you could easily get $10,000 or more, if it's actually true. I'm surprised that Uber actually settled and not the driver, because it's not really Uber's fault, it's really the driver's fault. Unless that driver is an employee, I'm not really sure how it does work in the United Kingdom. I will have to look into that. Yeah, guys, honestly, like I said, this definitely goes both ways. If you're a driver, your passenger could say creepy things to you. Unfortunately, usually it's for female drivers. I've had that happen to me several times, but I know some female drivers that say it happens every single day. And then if you're a female passenger, unfortunately there's a lot of creepy Uber drivers out there. It's just really messed up. So yeah, always stay safe, use precautionary details. Make sure you always have the correct passenger. Use a dash cam. Dash cam is really important so you can record everything. And if you're a driver, to protect against false reports. Like I said, this is just an accusation. I don't think they have any proof, but Uber just settled with them. But if the driver had a dash cam that proved that he didn't do anything, or that he did do something, because like I said, I don't really know, but because nothing's confirmed. But if the driver did have a dash cam, that's really mainly protection from the police. Uber Lyft is not really going to look at that footage, but the police definitely will for evidence. So that's it for the video. Let me know your thoughts down below. Stay safe out there, guys, and yeah, get out there and make some money, and let me know your thoughts down below. Thank you, guys. I'll talk to you all soon. Peace. Later, guys.